Stuck with the Wintrust module DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. While preparing the manual steps for Wintrust module, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Wintrust module, the Microsoft Trust Verification Library. It is responsible for checking the digital signatures of executables and drivers to ensure they haven't been tampered with. It is the heart of Authenticode. If corrupted, the system will block the installation of almost all software, and Windows Update will fail to verify downloaded patches, citing 0x800B0G101. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Wintrust is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scannow in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Wintrust module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Installing an unverified version of Wintrust module DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for Wintrust module. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Wintrust module dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.